Interior light not working? If you've pressed the light button and nothing happens, or you're wondering why the light isn't on during cooking, don't worry. It's not broken. Here's how the Ninja oven light actually works. Step 1. The light is manual only. Unlike a full-size oven, the SP101's interior light doesn't turn on automatically when you open the door or start cooking. You have to press the light bulb button to switch it on, and it stays on for just a few seconds. Step 2. It shuts off automatically. Even if you press the light during cooking, it will shut off again after about 10 seconds. This is normal. It's designed that way to reduce heat and glare during long cook sessions. Step 3. It doesn't work in some modes. The light won't activate in all cook modes, especially during preheat, or if the oven is still waking up. Try waiting until the mode has started. Then, press the button once. If the bulb flashes and turns off, that's the normal behavior. Step 4. Check for full power connection. If pressing the button never turns the light on, even briefly, unplug the oven and plug it into a different wall outlet, avoiding power strips. If the bulb still doesn't respond, it may be faulty. Use the support link below to reach Ninja. If this helped explain how the light is supposed to work, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if your view through the door is still foggy or streaked, I've linked the glass-safe cloth I use below. It clears the inside without scratching or smearing. Thanks for watching, and let the light shine when it wants to.